In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quick measures in Power BI Desktop. Quick measures are a fast way to create common calculations without writing DAX by hand. They're great when you want reliable, reusable math, like running totals, percentages of a grand total, or year-to-date values, built with just a few clicks. Start in the Data pane on the right side of Power BI Desktop. Find the table where you want the new measure to live, then right-click that table. Choosing the right table helps keep your model tidy, because the measure will be stored under that table. From the menu that appears, select Quick Measure. This opens a dedicated pane where all the setup happens. At the top of the Quick Measure pane, you'll be asked to select a calculation. This is where you decide what kind of logic you want Power BI to build for you. You'll see options like aggregate totals, filters, time intelligence, rolling averages, and more. If you're not sure which one fits, think about the question you're trying to answer. For example, what percent is this category of the whole? Points to a percent of grand total, while how does this value accumulate over time? Suggests a running total. Each option comes with a short description, and many show tool tips that clarify what each field means. After you pick a calculation, you'll need to add the data involved in the category sections that appear below. These are the input slots the calculation requires, such as a base value, a category to group by, or a date field for time-based logic. Drag the fields from your data pane into the matching slots. A good rule of thumb is to use numeric or measure fields where a value is requested, and date or category fields where grouping or time context is needed. If you see multiple required fields, fill each one. The pane will guide you with clear labels and, in many cases, examples. Once your fields are in place, simply click Add at the bottom of the pane. Power BI instantly creates a new measure with the appropriate DAX behind the scenes and places it under the table you right-clicked. You don't have to write any code. The logic is generated for you. From here, the measure is ready to use in your reports and will respect existing filters and slicers. Quick measures are a reliable way to build consistent calculations quickly, and you can always revisit the pane to adjust your choices if your analysis needs evolve.